Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here. Just hit my first bird. Took him right to the chest. I don't know, could have been a bat. I was only doing like 35 or so kilometers an hour up the hill. So, you know, even if I was going faster, I guess they're pretty light, eh? Because he just poof right off me. So, yeah, I'm gonna go back and see if he's laying on the ground. Let's go see what kind of bird I hit, because I doubt he survived. So it was a bat. Holy crap! This thing. I thought he moved. Did he move? Or was that just me that got scared? Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Oh, he did move. He's alive. He rolled over. Holy shit. Dude. Dude. Holy shit. I thought he moved. Did he move?